Hello, and welcome to SigenStack Installation Guide video. This series will demonstrate how to install, wire, and commission the product. You may receive 7 types of boxes, depending on your system configuration. Remember to check for any damage. SigenStack Battery 12.0 Materials. SigenStack BC Series Materials. SigenStack Cover Materials. SigenStack Base 4S 0.5C Materials. SigenStack Base, Main and Sub 0.5C or 1C Materials. SigenStack Fixation Kit Materials per pack. SigenStack Lifting Tool Kit Materials. Please prepare the following personal protective equipment and installation tools. This video is a supplement to the installation guide. Please read through the entire installation guide before installing or operating SigenStack. Choose the proper installation site based on the site selection requirements in the guide. The space requirements for wall-mounted installation. The space requirements for back-to-back installation. Use a marker and mark model to mark the hole positions. Please refer to the diagram for the spacing between each reference point. When installing multiple bases, you need to align and drill holes after positioning the mark model. Drill holes in the foundation and install expansion bolts. When drilling, ensure to remove fine particles from the mounting holes to prevent blockage. Remove the nut and washer for later use. Install the base. If there is a gap between the base and the surface after placement, you can use the adjusting shims to fill the gap. Remove the front panels of base, main and base sub. Install the side baffle. Install the connecting plates between the bases and tighten the screws. Tighten the nuts and washers of each bases. Ports description of base main and base sub. The connection relationship between the base's ports. Install the power cables and PE cables. The cables are supplied with the packing box. Install the bus cable, balance cable, and signal cable. The cables are supplied with the packing box. If you have configured multiple substacks, please repeat the above cable connection steps. The base sub on the far left should be short connected, and unused ports should be plugged. Install the side baffle. Install the front panels of base main and base sub. Install the cable protection covers between bases. Install the base. Remove the front panel. Install the side baffle. Install the short cable and side baffle. The unused ports should be plugged. Install the front panels. Install the base 4S. Install the connecting plates between the bases and tighten the screws. Tighten the nuts and washers of each bases. Install the cable protection covers between bases. When installing against a wall, if a battery stack with 7 batteries is stacked, the 6th battery needs wall mounting. If the stacked battery number is 6 or less, please ignore this step. Position and drill holes, then install the expansion bolts. Before stacking, remove the protective cover on the blind mate connector. Install the handles. Keep the battery level and install it vertically down. When installing 4 or more batteries on a single stack, please use a lifting tool. The lifting tool is secured to the fork of the forklift. Hang the lifting rope on the handles and hook on the outer rings of the lifting tool. Remove the latch and lift the SigenStack battery. Use hook bar to horizontally move the SigenStack battery to the predetermined position above. Align the floating terminals. Lower the forks to complete the installation. Install the handles. Install BCBST/BC to the main stack. When the number of batteries is between 4 to 7, please use a lifting tool. Please install the jumper box and cover before installing the top battery to the substack. If you want to secure the cable between BCBST or BC and the hybrid inverter, you could install spacers. Secure the battery pack. Please use the stoppers to seal the opening for handles of battery in CBST/BC. When installing against a wall, if a main stack or substack with 7 batteries is stacked, the 6th battery needs wall mounting. If the stacked battery is 6 or less, please ignore this step. When installing back-to-back, if a main stack or substack with 7 bats is stacked, the 2nd, 4th, and 6th bats need to be secured. If the stacked bat is 6 or less, please ignore this step. Make base main PE cable. Connect 2 PE cables to base main. The PE cables are grounded nearby or connected to the PE point of the hybrid inverter. Make BC-BST or BC power cable. Please select the ceiling plug according to the cable diameter. Connect BC-BST or BC to BC-BST or BC. Connect BC-BST or BC signal cable. Please check the following items after installation. After confirming everything is correct, install the BC-BST or BC protective cover. Place the BC-BST or BC disconnecting switch in the on position. Power on the inverter by referring to the installation guide for the respective model. Check the indicator status of the BC-BST or BC. Scan the QR code. Add a new system and fill out system details. Confirm and next. Set and confirm the parameters. One-click full system check. Confirm and finish the commissioning.